In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find PayPal transaction history. Knowing where to find your past payments, refunds, and transfers is really important. Whether you're checking a charge, doing bookkeeping, or preparing information for taxes. I'll walk you through everything step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to quickly locate any transaction in your PayPal account. First, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Log in with your account details, and once you're signed in, you'll land on your main PayPal dashboard, sometimes called the account summary page. This is where you see your balance, recent activity, and shortcuts to different parts of your account. From this dashboard, look along the top menu for the tab labeled Activity. This is the section that holds your full transaction history. Go ahead and click on Activity. When the activity page opens, you'll see a list of your recent transactions, usually with the date, the other party's name or business, the amount, and the status, like completed, pending, or refunded. If you only need to review something that happened recently, you can often find it just by scrolling through this list. If you're searching for a specific payment, the easiest place to start is the search bar at the top of the activity page. Click into that search field and type in a keyword related to the transaction you're looking for. This could be the name of the person or business you paid, or the email address associated with that transaction. After you type your search, press Enter. PayPal will filter your history and show only the transactions that match what you entered, which saves a lot of time compared to scrolling through everything. If you don't know the exact name or email, or if you need to narrow things down more precisely, you can use PayPal's filters. Next to the search bar, look for the filter drawer icon and click it. This opens a panel where you can refine what you see. Inside this filter area, you can choose a date range, such as the last 7 days, 30 days, or 90 days. You can also set a custom start and end date if you're looking for transactions from a specific period, like a certain month or quarter. Below that, there's a drop-down for transaction type, where you can limit the results to things like payments sent, payments received, refunds, or transfers. There's also a status drop-down that lets you show only completed, pending, or other specific statuses. Once you've selected your dates, types, and statuses, apply the filters, and PayPal will show you only the transactions that match. From there, you can click on any individual entry to view all the details,